This is Kramer and welcome to EasyRoboPro, where we make the concepts of robotics and programming easy and simple for you. In this video, we are going to talk about the most in-demand programming language, Python. Why Python has gained so much popularity in last 10 years. What are its features? Where it is used in industry? To get answers to all this, let's get started. Python is the fastest growing programming language in the world. From last 10 years, it has gained immense popularity. It is not only being used by software developers, but also by thousands of data scientists, accounts and finance people, mathematicians, and many more. What could be the reason for this popularity? Let us understand 5 reasons why Python has become so popular in past few years. Reason number 1 is ease of use. Python is a very simple and beginner-friendly language. It can solve complex bigger problems in less time and with fewer lines of code. Let us take an example where we want to print hello world onto the screen. In any other language like C, C++ or Java, you have to create a class or a function and then write the command to print hello world. Here in Python, you can just simply create a .py file, say hello.py file, and just write the code, one single line, print hello world. Also, you don't have to worry about the semicolons or the brackets. Python just says that you need to take care of indentation and rest the code looks very simple. Reason number 2 are the features of Python which makes it attractive. Python is free and open source language. Easy to download, easy to install. Also, the source code is available for usage as well as for modification. Python is also an interpreted language where the machine reads and interprets it, and all the errors have to be tackled at the runtime. Python also has large community, which means that the solution to all the known and the common problems are easily available on the forum and the internet. Reason number 3 is Python has huge library base. It has libraries for artificial intelligence like scikit-learn, keras, OpenCV, machine learning like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, computer graphics like tkinter, Jython, pygame, for web programming like django, web2py, pylons. These libraries are very easy to use and they have good features. This can help us to build huge projects in a very quick time. Reason number 4 is usage of Python in automation industry and in the field of data science. Python is a scripting language, which means with Python we can write scripts which can automate certain tasks. For example, in banking applications we have some EOD task, end of the day task, which has to be automated. For that we have to write scripts, and Python is a very popular language to write scripts. In last few years, data science is a very popular field. Today on internet, we have huge amount of data which is in peta and zettabytes. This data is a gold mine. To analyze this data and to give out some prediction or recommendations, we need to write some code and use some libraries. Python is very popular in such scenarios. It can be used in machine learning, in artificial intelligence, and in big data analysis. Reason number 5 is the companies using Python and the pay scale. Python is being used by thousands of IT companies today for developing web applications, data analysis, or for any scripting purposes. Companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Insta, YouTube, Raspberry Pi, and many others are using Python in their technology stack. Well, a Python developer with good knowledge of libraries has good demand in the market and can get a good salary package. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. You can also visit our site www.easyrobopro.com. Thank you.